Hey everyone, we're out at Quetico Park again. Got a nice little spot here just across the road from the lake. So I have a few more mods to go over. So we'll start on the outside of the trailer. I put a battery shut-off just on top of the battery. Just shut it off so when we're not around, the battery's not going to drain. I had mentioned before about finishing the gap here, and I sealed this all up so nothing can get in and out. Alright, and I also put screens on all the vents, just glued on. Put screens just so bugs don't get in there and make nests. Did that on all the vents. Refrigerator, hot water tank. And the furnace, and even, you can see up there, even on the exhaust for the range hood. Keep the bugs out. So those are the only couple I did outside. I got more inside. Start at the back here. Put up a fishing rod holder. Just a store-bought holder for sealing. And I put some wood brackets up there just so I can mount the holders to it. So the fishing rods sit up on the ceiling. We finished our diorama and mounted that. One other little cool thing on the diorama is people ask me, where's Little Rob? Well, Little Rob is in the tent. Like my hairdo? I stained the shelf. Oh, it looks a bit better this year. Okay, beside the TV, the side of the pantry, mounted a couple strips so I can put some clips on there, and we got the broom hanging there now. It's just hard to see with the light. Just a clip in like that, and put another little hook on for the marshmallow sticks. Alright, and beside the broom holders, on these seats, these corners used to be square, and every time you slide in you'd scratch the back of your calf. So I just cut them off on a 45-degree angle, and that has solved the problem. No more back of the calves being whacked or scratched. So I like that one. And as you can tell, we put up some pictures, a little kind of a bear theme, a little wildlife theme. And one thing I forgot to mention before is we put up some coat hangers on the back of this shelf here. So when I use this for an actual toy hauler, I put my motorcycle or ATV in here, I can hang up some of my gear back there, and the dirty gear's out of the way. And over here in this corner, beside the stove top, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little shelf that comes out on the angle and then goes back to here. So I'll be able to just put the toaster there and leave it there. Won't have to move it around. That'll be nice. It won't be in the way of the seat either. So that's my next little mod. Alright, there's our little add-on shelf for the toaster, place for the toaster. Just put some little pockets down here so you can put the remote in or whatnot for the TV. Alright, up in the front bedroom. This was a big one. This makes a world of difference. Lift the bed up and it stays up. I put some 40-pound struts, if you can see them there. They're just lid struts, bought them off Amazon.ca. 40-pound struts, mounted those, and even with all the stuff on here, holds it up nicely. And then when you push it down, right back down. That makes things super easy. You don't have to try and hold that bed up all the time. Okay, another mod that I did with it, which was really handy, is I put an access panel in underneath the bed here. And that goes straight down. Can't really see, but right down here is the shutoffs for the hot water tank, so I can reach those no problem. So that was a real handy. I don't have to crawl in the storage space or anything, and it sits nice and flat. And that's that. Alright, so in the washroom I just built some little shelves here just for a little extra storage up there above the toilet. Nothing fancy. These walls are so out of square it's not even funny. So I had to build the shelving out of square just to make it fit in and look alright, get the shelves level. Another little mod that I did, add a little bit of foam under the water pump and put some foam around the lines. Just quiets it up a little bit, makes the pump a little bit quieter. It's a beautiful day on the May long weekend up here in northwestern Ontario. And we got a new dining tent just because bug season is coming. So that's pretty much it for the mods. Hope you can find some of them useful, and thanks for watching, everybody.